Is your carpet in need of a spring clean? Or winter, summer, or fall clean? Have you been sweeping the need to deep clean your space under the rug? Whatever the season and wherever the home or office, we're your new partners and allies in making a clean sweep on all of your carpet needs. Say hello to our professional and friendly team, who are armed and ready to tackle whatever you throw their way. We pride ourselves on service excellence and intense attention to detail, removing stains, cleaning and polishing, leaving your carpets, upholstery, rugs and more spick and span. We've spent years using our expert deep clean steam methods to leave your carpets looking as good as new, guaranteeing the highest quality for the lowest possible price. With testimonials that speak for themselves, why go anywhere else? Leave your carpet cleaning requirements to the professionals and step in tomorrow with a clean slate.